I bought a Mustang because I wanted a car to be able to mod, and I wanted something fun to drive, and I felt like this was the perfect car. The car would lose traction on the back end. Could definitely feel the wheel hop a lot more. It was very bumpy.
For this build, our skilled engineering and mechanic team completed a comprehensive bushing upgrade, including the installation of front control arm bushings, front sway bar bushings, rear control arm bushing, rear sway bar bushings, rear subframe bushings, differential mount bushings. This ensures improved handling, stability, and overall performance.
Now the steering it's a lot tighter, it's a lot more stiff, and it's a lot easier to control because I feel like I have that security of it being stiffer. The responsiveness of the suspension has improved a lot after the bushings. I would 100% recommend energy suspension bushings to anyone. I feel like it's a great investment.
Do it once, do it right. Energy suspension.